every industry uses AC or DC motor, so every industry uses this AC DC drive. This is the application of power electronics in real industries. AC DC drive technology will be used in cement plant, aluminum plant, fertilizer plants, cement plant, chemical plants, textile plants, tire industries, dairy industries, and all type of automatic industries. This is Siemens make AC master drive. It hardware consists of one control card, that is called CUVC card. This card is inserted in this drive. This is 3-phase drive in which we are giving 3-phase AC supply to the power system, and output of the drive is connected to the one squirrel cage type of induction motor. So this display and some keypad is called PMU of this drive, and there is one cable is connected with this PC. This is called serial cable. In this PC we have installed one drive monitor software. In this software we can upload and download application program of the drive. So this will be our task. Before starting this communication, we will start this drive through one switch, that is called digital input. This digital input is connected to the control card of the digital input terminals, because this is the PMU interface, this is the DI/DO interface, this is analog interface, and this is the temperature sensor interface. This is the heart of the master drive. If we increase the speed through potentiometer, this potentiometer is connected to the analog input of the CUVC card. If we increase the speed, so motor will speed up. So motor is rotating. Here 3-phase comes from drive. This is variable voltage, variable speed drive. We can monitor parameter of the motor, ki how much voltage is going to motor, how much current is taking this motor, what is the frequency of the power supply to the motor, what is the power factor. Every parameter we can see through this display, that is called PMU display. Same thing we can see through this programming unit, that is called PCPG. If we install drive monitor software of the Siemens, which is supplied from Siemens, so we are giving 3-phase power supply. If we switch on this power supply, some display will come. This display is called PMU, parameterizing unit display card is there. There is some keys, in which key we can test the drive, it is running or not, motor is connected healthy or not. We can put programming through this PMU. There is one communication cable which is connected to the PGPC of the this PC, and we install drive monitor software in PC. We are taking backup of the drive in PGPC. So this is upload. Our file name is called backup. So this software will take parameter from drive to PGPC. After completion of this upload, there is one text, that is upload for the backup successfully completed. So this will be our backup. If any time, if any problem comes, so we will download this backup file to the. This is a DC drive trainer kit. This is dedicated for Siemens make 6RA70 DC digital drive. This drive will be used in steel plant, cement plant, especially in cement plant. This will be used in kiln section for controlling the speed and torque of the kiln. Kiln is the heart of the cement plant. This will also used in cement mill area, in which apron conveyor and wave feeders are there. Wave feeder may be clinker, fly ash, gypsum, etc. The trainer kit is dedicated for DC separately excited DC shunt motor. There is one armature voltage. This shows forward and reverse of the armature voltage. This shows forward and reverse of the armature current. This shows field current because excitation is very important for DC motor, and this shows RPM may be forward and may be reverse. And there are some switches which will be programmable as per our requirement. We will program these switches as per direction, reverse, speed set point, fixed set point, jogging set point, Corel set point, and these are the potentiometer in which we can control the speed and torque of the separately excited DC shunt motor. So in this display we can see many parameters. Suppose what is the armature current taking of the motor, what is the field current, what are the armature voltage, what are the field voltage, what are the current limit of the forward current limit, reverse current limit, as well as acceleration time, deceleration time, initial rounding, final rounding, etc. There is one communication port. Similarly to AC drive, we can connect PGPC through this serial cable. We can upload and download of the backup of the application program to save our in hard disk. This is Allen Bradley make PowerFlex 70 digital drive. This will used in cement plant, steel plants, pharmaceutical plant. Especially in cement plant, this will all cooling fans as well as ID fan. This is called HIM control, in which we can start stop of the drive. We can see the parameter of the drive. We can upload, download of the parameter through HIM module. So this is called simulator. We are giving 3-phase power supply to the AC drive. These are the hardware interface, maybe digital, maybe analog. These are the indicator. Suppose R phase is not coming, this will not glow. R, Y, B, these are the 3-phase input supply to the drive. These are the start stop. So this trainer kit is dedicated for Allen Bradley PowerFlex 70 digital AC. These are the start of the drive through digital input DI1. This is Allen Bradley PowerFlex 70 simulator, and according to this potentiometer, speed increase decrease will take place, and we put this, so automatically direction will reverse, and this will be the, this is showing what is the frequency of the drive. And many exercises are there how to check this power electronics component, maybe diode, maybe thyristor, maybe IGBT. There is some procedure. As per procedure, we will put value of these component, it is healthy or faulty.